Hey, Terry Lindy here with 5 quick fitness tips for busy people who want to stay in shape. Number 1, micro workouts. Squeeze in short, high intensity workouts throughout your day. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. 2, desk exercises. Incorporate simple exercises at your desk like seated leg lifts, chair squats, or desk push-ups to stay active. 3, healthy snacking. Keep healthy snacks handy like fruits, nuts, vegetables, yogurt to maintain energy levels and avoid unhealthy temptations. 4, active breaks. Use breaks to move. Take a quick walk, stretch, or do a few jumping jacks to keep your energy up. And 5, plan ahead. Schedule your workout like appointments. Prioritize your fitness by making time for it in your busy schedule. You want more fitness tips for your busy lifestyle? DM me for a free gift guide that will help you stay fit on a tight schedule.